In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unfriend someone here on Snapchat no matter what device you're on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the Snapchat app, and what you're going to want to do is tap your Bitmoji or profile icon up in the top left corner. From here, scroll down a little bit and you're looking for the My Friends option. Select that and you could scroll through your friends list or you can use the search bar up at the top. In this case, let's just go ahead and say I want to add this guy right here or unadd him. You'd select him and then of course go ahead and hit the profile picture, and then you're going to see a little like 3-dot icon up here. Go ahead and select that and you're going to see a Manage Friendship tab right here. Choose this, and on this section you're going to see an option to remove that friend. Obviously go ahead and select that, confirm your choice, and they're going to be removed from your friends list. Now they're not essentially going to appear in your friends list anymore, and they won't be notified that you removed them, and you can add them back if you do change your mind at any point. They essentially just become subscribed to you at this point, so they'll be able to like view your public stories or whatnot. Just consider them like a fan or something. But that is how you can unfriend someone here on Snapchat. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.